Yes. So this is another beautiful question. Let's find out. So let's solve this. Okay. So we have a solution. Now, if you look at this, they say we should simplify s raised to the power of 3n plus 1, and then everything over s raised to the power 2n plus 5 over 2, and then times square root of, meanwhile there is a times here, square root of s raised to the power 2n minus 3. So what we have to do, the major emphasis for now should be on the denominator, and then we have to rewrite this. Okay, so we are having, I want to rewrite the numerator. I'm having s raised to the power of 3n plus 1. Just follow, and then this, I can take this divided by this, so I need to divide by 1 is the same thing, so that I can take the LCM. So I have now s raised to the power of the LCM between 1 and 2 is 2, so that I have 2 into 1 is 2. 2 times 2n is 4n. And then I have a plus. And then 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. And then times this square root, I want to write it as s raised to the power of 2n minus 3. Don't forget. And then we have square root here means 1 over 2. So if you follow that, the laws of indices, you see that we did something like this before now. So now again, the next step should be s raised to the power of 3n plus 1, everything over, I will write this again. We have s raised to the power of 4n plus 5 over 2, and then times, so this is like a power now, which is 2n minus 3, and this is also another power. So power multiply power, which is the same thing we did in number 8 here, a multiply b. So if power multiplies power, we are having x, this. So this one multiplied by this. So it's as if I am saying, since it's fraction, the numerator multiply this, it's as if I'm saying over 1. So this multiply 1 is going to give us 2n minus 3, and then over 1 multiply this is going to give us 2. So again, we have now x raised to the power of 3n plus 1, and then over, so this is x, this is s. So since it's times that we have in between them, I'll pick one of them, and then I will now add the power. So the power here is this and this. So add it, we'll have 4n plus 5 over 2, and then we'll have a plus, and then we'll have 2n minus 3 over 2. So let me continue from here. So that I have this, I'm rewriting again. I have s raised to the power of 3n plus 1, everything over. So I have this x, and then we add the power. Now the LCM is what? 2. I have 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 multiplied this is going to give you the same thing. We have 4n plus 5. And then again, 2 into 2, 1. 1 multiplied this is the same thing. I have 2n. Sorry, there's a plus. I have plus 2n minus 3. So that we have now, I'm writing this again. I have equal to x raised to the power of 3n plus 1, everything over. I'll have x, yes, s. This is 4n plus 2n is 6n. And then we have plus 5 minus 3 is plus 2, then over 2, which is equal to, we have s raised to the, I'm writing the numerator again, 3n plus 1, and then everything over. This that we have here, you can see that there's a common factor between all of them. So I can factor add something. So I will have s raised to the power of, let me factor add 2 because of this denominator. So I have 2, open bracket. I will have 3n, yes, plus 1. So over 2. So you can check it out. 2 times 3n is going to give us 6n. 2 times 1 is going to give us 2. And then we'll have our denominator here. So from here, this can cancel this. So that we now have now s raised to the power of 3n plus 1 over, what we have left here is s raised to the power of 3n plus 1. You can see that they are now the same thing. So this is going to go into this. We are going to have what? Our answer as 1. Okay, beautiful. So I hope you get that. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. I'll provide answer to it. See you in our next video. God bless you.